In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a fuel pump on a Honda CR-V. You can gain access to this fuel pump underneath the rear seat. Before you remove your fuel pump, you need to depressurize the fuel system. By doing this, you're taking the fuel from the line from the tank to your engine and emptying it. If you go into your driver's side, underneath here, there'll be a fuel pump fuse. It's number 4. It's a 15 amp fuse. You need to remove that. This is the 15 amp fuse here. It's number 4. I like to make a little Sharpie mark. That way when you remove it, you know exactly where it goes back. After you remove your 15 amp fuse, start your vehicle. And now your fuel system is depressurized. Just remove your negative battery terminal. You loosen up your negative 10 millimeter nut. Pop that off the post. There's also a plug here. You want to push that down, slide that out. Put your terminal off to the side. After you open your passenger rear door, there's a handle right here that you want to pull. That's going to flip your seat up. Your fuel pump is underneath the rug here. You want to do the same thing on the other side. Open your rear passenger door, pull your tab here, seat's going to fold down. Now you have a place to kneel and do your work. You can have a hole cut out with your rug. Here's your fuel pump plate. It's held down by 3 Phillips screws. You can take this, kind of roll it out of the way. Set your 3 screws off to the side. Take a flat blade screwdriver, peel up on the cover. You can push this rubber mount out from the inside like that. This is your connector for your fuel pump. You want to push this in and pull straight up and out. Feed your wire through the hole, take your cover, put it off to the side. Now's the time you want to clean up all this debris in here, because once you take your fuel pump out, all that debris is going to fall in your fuel tank and you don't want that. So you can vacuum it out or blow it out, but you don't want any debris near your fuel pump. After you clean all your debris, I like to make a mark where the fuel pump line goes in. That way when you go to put the new fuel pump in, you can align the 2 lines and you'll know what's in there straight. I make a line here, which matches my line there. In order to take this fuel line off, you need to push these 2 tabs in and pull straight towards you. A little bit of fuel might come out here, that's fine. And just put your line off to the side. Now you need a tool like this. What this does is grab a hold of your fuel pump ring and remove it. Once you get that over your fuel pump, you want to tighten these 2 bolts. And then turn to the left. Remove your ring, take your fuel pump, lift it straight out, put the gas drain back into the tank, out of the fuel pump. You need to transfer this clip here, so if you spread that out, take the clip off. Install your clip onto your fuel pump. Wait for your click. After you remove your fuel pump, you have your O-ring. You want to replace that. Before you put your new O-ring in, you want to clean your surface. Install your O-ring. You want to lower your fuel pump in. Make sure it's seated. Take your fuel pump lock ring, push down and turn to the right. Make sure your fuel line is lined up with your line that you made. Take your tool. Give it a snug. Make sure the fuel pump is seated. Take your fuel line. Install it back onto your fuel pump. Wait for the click. Take your cover. Plug through your cover. Put your rubber grommet onto your cover. Fuel pump connector, connect it to the fuel pump, wait for the click. Install your 3 Phillips screws. Take your carpet. Push it down. And let's get ready to fold the seats back. Take your seat bottom, pull it straight up, wait for the click, and do the same thing on the other side. Now install your 15 amp fuse that you removed for your fuel pump. Take your negative terminal. Make sure you have a good contact. Tighten up your nut. Make sure that's secure. Plug your wire back in. Slide that down on your holder. Once you install that 15 amp fuse, hop in your driver's seat, turn your vehicle on, and start it. Once you do that, check for leaks. If you don't have any leaks, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.